Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here to do my savings challenges today, which is £140. I'm also going to start some new savings challenges. I'm really excited to start this one. This is from Esther at My Money Matters. I'm gonna try and finish some today. Let's count up this money. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I've kind of marked them off to give me an idea of how much I'll be putting into these challenges. I'm going to do this one today and I'm going to do all of them. It'll be £10. I'll put £10 here for this one and just quickly colour them in. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So that's £10. I did an envelope for this one, I think. Let's see. Yes, I have an envelope for this one. So that will be £10 in there. That's all done. And then the piggy pounds, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to do 10 for that as well. I'll just mark this off with a black so I'll know. There we go, that one's done. Ooh, £20 already, £20. Oh, that's still money. Now the Woodland Wonders, I was going to do these at 5, so I'm going to put 5 in today. And I will colour that in red. Let's get a brighter red. There. So that's £5 for the Woodlands. I'll put that away. And then we've got Have a Heart, and that's saved £20. I'm going to do 10 today. I'll colour these in pink. And then I have the fruit salad. I'm going to do £5. I'm going to do one fruit today. I'll do the banana, my favourite fruit. Banana. That's £5 for that one. And then we've got the daisies, £1 per daisy. I'll do 10 today. Yes, why not? Let's do orange. There. 10. Do 2 5s. I'll do 2 5s. And let's see what else we can do. I'm going to do £5 today for this one. And let's see what we can do here. This one is save £30. So I will, that's 2, 3, 6, 10. I'm going to do £10 today for this one. That's 4, 7, 8 and 2 is 10. Lovely. And that's £10 for that one. Let's go to the other one. The sweet treats, £5, and I will do the sweet treats in this colour. Oh, terrible colouring. So that's £5. I'm going to change that up. Change one of these up. Great, so that's £5 in. And then let's see what we've got for, got to leave that to dry. Right, I'm going to put £5 in today for the sunflower savings, and then I'll just put a mark through that. I want to do all the £5. Lovely. I'll get all the £5 done, and then I'll tackle the £2 and £3. And that is that. I saved £10 for that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 10 for this one as well. So 2 is finished. I've got to do the June. I'll put this away. Put that away. And I will do the June now. I'll get, I can't remember what colours now. Yellow. I think it was this blue. Let's have a look. Is it this blue or this blue? Dear. I don't remember now which blue it was. I think it was this one, you know. Okay, we'll try that and see. Anyway, this is getting £15 today. And I'll just colour that in. There we go. This one isn't as good as this one last week. I still went out of the lines, but never mind. So that got its £15 today. Let's do the when piggy. When pigs fly is getting £5. I'll do this one. Let's Get to 100 is getting 5. Got £40 left. I think I will put £20 in here and £20 in the 52-week challenge. Okay, £20. And save at 2023. In 2023 is going to get £20. Lovely. Great. And that is that for my savings challenges. That was good this week. I've got to remember which ones I played this week, because I'm going to alternate them each week. I think it's better, so at least every envelope gets a little something. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.